Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A15s, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and you tap on this icon right here. This will show you all the toggles, additionally the ones that are turned off, so not accessible to visible ones. And in here you want to find your screen recording toggle. For me it's on the second page, though I have already added a couple toggles, so it might be on the third page for you. So anyway, once you find it in here, hold it, drag it over, drop it, and when you go back you can now access it at any point from your notifications. So in here you want to tap on it, let's agree, allow, and let's agree, and it will give us the overlay right here, which allows us to access a couple things. So number one, the first thing is just to record. We have the settings and we have a close button. Now I do recommend also navigate into the settings under here, more settings, which will show you additional settings for the video recording. So we have things like display video resolution. It is set to medium. I'll probably change it to high just so the video has a little bit more of a fidelity to it. We have front camera, which adds obviously the front camera to the recording, and if you want to do that you can enable it. Once enabled, let's see if we can, nope, it looks like we don't have an option to change the circle for the front camera size. Some phones give you that option to record front cameras and also resize that like front camera image that will be displayed right here, but not on here. And additionally we have show screen touches. So with this enabled, when you're recording and you touch the screen, it will show a semi-transparent gray dot on the screen to show on the recording where you are actually pressing the screen. And last thing we have here is, well, technically is the first thing, we have the sound. So we can record system sound, which is the sound that the device will be making through apps, music, stuff like that. And we have record microphone sound, which obviously records you and the sound around the device. Now, if you're planning to use both of those, I highly recommend using some kind of headphones for this. Just because if you don't and you have your sound from the phone coming to the speaker, microphone will pick it up again. It's being recorded. This portion is being recorded internally. So even when the device is muted, it should still record the sound. But if you don't have it muted and you have also microphone, it will be recording it internally, and then once it comes out through the speaker, microphone will pick it up again, creating an unwanted echo effect. So like I said, I highly recommend using headphones for that. Once you went through all the settings right here, you can close this, and if you're not planning to change those settings ever again, you don't need to navigate in here ever again. And to record, simply press that circle. Oh, there we go, it's now recording. It gives us a pause option right here. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open some kind of app, that will be recorded. Now once you finish recording, you can interact with the overlay, click on the square, and this will save your recording to the gallery application, or photos as it's called right here. So once you open it up, you should find your recording in here somewhere. Oh, there we go. I believe it also creates an album with under screenshots. So there we go. As you can see, it's right over here. You can tap on it and watch the video. Gonna play just a brief version of it just so you can see that it is working. So there we go. Anyway, that is how you record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.